Hi, I'm Dawn Kramer, and this is my PowerPoint presentation on my community, which is Lehighton, located in Pennsylvania. In our community, we have a population of 5,537 people, and mostly they are of the Irish descent. We have a 98.32% of the white race, 1.34% African American, 1.05% Native American, 1.45% Asian, 1.09% Pacific Islander, and 1.04% other races. Our ages under 18 years old is 22.6%. From the 18 to 24-year-old range is 7.3% of the population. From the 25 to 44 range is 27.3% of the population. And from the 45 to 64 years range is 21.7% of the population. And 65 years and older is 21.1% of our population. For every 100 females, there were 87.1 males, and for every 100 females aged 18 and over, there were 82.5 males. This is the City Crime Index. The U.S. average is 283.3, and my town, Lehighton, has a 190.9 index, which is below average. We have 0 murders per 100,000. We have 0 rapes per 100,000. We have 34 burglaries per 100,000. We have 118 thefts per 100,000. We have 8 auto thefts per 100,000. And we have 2 arson per 100,000. Our high school graduate or higher percent of persons aged 25 years plus during the years of 2013 to 2017, the population that graduated was 84.6%. The people that had a bachelor's degree or higher, ages 25 plus years between 2013 and 2017, was 14%. I included the religions of Carbon County because Lehighton was pretty small, so I wanted to give everyone an idea of some of our other religions in the area. One of them is the Evangelical Protestant religion, and it has 1,943 full members. Another is the Mainline Protestant religion, which is 14,613 members. The Catholic religion, which is 12,418 members. The Orthodox religion is 264 members, and other religions account for 162 members. This is a picture of St. Luke's Health Center here in Lehighton, Pennsylvania. Our community has many health centers. This center has an urgent care section and a physical therapy section. This picture was a little hard to take, but it's of our American Legion. Our community has a couple of veteran places. This Legion is open to the community for certain events and is open to just the members during other times. The membership fees help our veterans. This is a picture of the Trinity Pantry. It's one of our food pantries in the area. We have a few of them, and local churches make most of the donations. This is a picture of my church, St. Peter and Paul. It's one of our Catholic churches. We have many members, and our church helps with many charitable organizations. This next picture is of Doyle Heffley, our state representative of Pennsylvania. This is his office, And Doyle Heffley is actually a Lehighton area high school graduate and well known in our community. And people can make appointments at this office to speak with him. And this is a picture of our Carbon County Assistance Office. This is our welfare office, which aids in helping with food, housing, cash assistance, absentee parents and spouses, and abused women and children. This is a picture of our banner for our Lehighton Downtown Farmers Market. This market is fairly new, but has been a great community resource. Local businesses and farmers sell their products here, and many people come out to support them. And lastly, the picture I chose to take was of the Carbon Monroe Pike Mental Health and Developmental Services. These services represent residents in the 3 counties above. These services help with mental health, alcohol, and drug disorders, and we have many other programs too for these disorders in our area. This is a map of my community, and in yellow I highlighted the town of Lehighton, and I don't know if anyone's familiar, but we live close to Jim Thorpe, which is in the, we were considered in the Pocono area. A good community, according to like Ohio State, the University Fact Sheet, one of the things about a good community is your community a safe place to reside? Well, our crime rate is below the national average, and it is a pretty safe place to live. We have access to goods and services that sustain residents. Our community has goals to support local businesses and help build future businesses. We have different religions, sports, local businesses, and goals to keep people off the streets and off of drugs. We sometimes have conflicts, but they are dealt with in a respectful way. I feel we have a very good community. However, I do feel our community needs more programs for adults and children. Some of these programs could take place at night in our local schools. We also need to lower our taxes and have more local job availabilities. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. The references I used was from the City Data Crime site, and it was for Lehighton, Pennsylvania. I also used the EJ Screen to retrieve my map, which was from the EJ Screen site, and I used the paper Seeking the Good Community to help me write on my community from the Ohio State University Extension. And I also retrieved data about Lehighton from wikipedia.org. Thank you and have a good day.